Hi all, hope all is well. On today's video, I wanted to do a quick demonstration of how to get your XAG P150 Max into RTK positioning accuracy. So as you can see with these drones, there's a variety of different methods of operating them, and each of these different methods give different results in regards to accuracy and reliability. So the most basic is GNSS. The secondary one is VRTK, which is a positioning system between the controller, the drone and the satellites. PPP is satellite-based positioning using the constellation of satellites that XAG has currently in orbit. And RTK positioning is using a CORS-based system. And for this video, I just wanted to demonstrate how to go about getting it into RTK positioning, because there are a few different varieties of ways you can use RTK positioning, dependent on what equipment you have on hand. So for this one here, we're doing a CORS connection. So to get to this, what you need to do is either go back to the operational home screen, or if you have to, go back to the home screen, go into your account details, go into devices, and then either just click on max headroom, which is the drone name. Going into this here, we can actually access the satellite system, and in the satellite system itself, this is where you can change it dependent on what equipment you have on hand. So you can go to GNSS, VRTK, PPP, or RTK positioning. So currently we are in RTK and it's successfully connected. If we go up to here and press on the positioning reference types, you can see that we have currently selected one for ag flight. And if we were to go to switch CORS accounts, we could add other CORS accounts. So pretty much a CORS account is a fixed base station supplied on the network of AusCall network. And they're fixed base stations in a variety of different regions around Australia, and they have a wide amount of coverage, although they don't cover every square inch of Australia, of course. As you go further out west, it can be a bit limited, but most of the way up the east coast of Australia and South Australia and Western Australia as well, you'll find that there is a CORS network that you can attach to. So if you needed to, you could add a CORS account here just by entering your details. So you can name it whatever you want. The IP address, port, username and password will be supplied by the provider, and then you select your mount point. And currently we have the Hay one selected, and his details are there as well. So pretty much that gives us confirmation that it is active, as you can see there, and it is successfully working, which is definitely a bonus. You want to make sure that it is connected to a Wi-Fi network as well. These systems, they do not operate well or at all if they're not connected to a Wi-Fi network. So you either connect it back to Starlink, connect it back to a Wi-Fi network, such as your office network or something like that, or you can actually put a SIM card in these as well. And that works well, providing you've got service. If you've got no 4G service, you will not be able to connect this RTK system together. You need an active internet connection for it to work. So what a lot of operators are currently doing is utilizing the Starlink network, and they're connecting it to the Starlink network just through the Wi-Fi settings here. So if you press and hold on that, it brings up whichever networks are currently available, and then by pressing on that, you'll be active, such as that. And one thing I have noticed actually while having this discussion is that currently this is no longer connected to the Wi-Fi network. So that's why we're seeing an error there. So if I press on that, it should come up as connecting. Okay, so as you can see, we have a positive connection there. Coming back out here, there's one way to check a positive connection, and that's to check the RTK latency. So if you find that climbing, then you've disconnected from your Wi-Fi network, just as I did. So you have to make sure it is connected to an internet source, such as that. That's it. Cheers.